If you were to travel to the rainforests of South America, you may find yourself face to face with a massive web that's at least 10 feet long and across. Thankfully, you won't be encountering Aragog, Shelob, nor any other massive magical spider, but what is inside might be just as terrifying.
Me and my girlies, we gon' party till it's early, got me feeling otherworldly tonight. Caught in some traffic, but the radio was blasting, drop a red light and we're saying goodbye. Ooh.
These webs are home to the spider known as Anelosimus eximius, but I should be saying spiders because these little guys live in colonies of up to over 1,000. Saying these little guys is also a little misleading because these massive colonies are about 90% female. Spiders as a group are typically antisocial and build nests or hunt by themselves. There are over 40,000 species of spiders, but there are only about 20 species that we know of that are social, and Anelosimus eximius has the largest population of social spiders that we know of. Spider colonies is a terrifying concept, but also a fascinating one. Sociality in animals always raises questions of how collective and individual lives are conducted through feeding, breeding, or whatever else. And thanks to research by Virginia Setapani and others, we know a little more about how these spiders divide up labor. These spiders did not show task specialization between individuals having certain jobs, meaning there's not attacking spiders, web maintaining, or baby carrying spiders. However, a different form of specialization related to age was uncovered, as it was only the fully grown individuals who performed the hunting for the whole colony, despite young spiders being able to hunt as well. This finding suggests a level of organization and efficiency within the colonies, even without individual task specialization. Not all females in the colonies lay eggs either, but most fully grown females do trade off tasks in upkeeping and caring for egg sacs and babies, which is important because the egg sacs are much larger than your typical spider one. There are some individuals who aren't like the others and stay more isolated instead of helping with group tasks. These freeloading colony members are possibly, and unsurprisingly, the males, who live more like little sperm banks. Yep. And for those still wondering, I will just say, yes, the giant webs of these spiders are susceptible to rainfall. In cases of heavy rain or other web-destroying events, the colony will try to regroup and make a new web, but often stranded individuals will just go ahead and start a new colony. Starting a new colony also will occur once a web is overpopulated and a small group of females who are just about ready to lay eggs will wander off to start anew. That's basically everything you need to know about these spiders, but there are still a couple more cool factoids I'd like to share. First, we have to look back at the hunting, which we know is mostly done by the eldest females. What we also know is that your typical solo hunting spider will sit patiently in their web until they feel a vibration, and then they will quickly run to the captured prey and, well, prey upon it. When you're in a massive colony, though, everyone is sending out vibrations left and right, so there's got to be some teamwork involved. So when a prey impact's vibration is felt, the ladies do a sort of dance with each other, where they make frequent pauses together so they can feel only the prey vibrations, and then move a little bit closer and closer towards it until boom, prey is covered and then consumed. Last little factoid is that among the thousands of spiders in a colony, many may actually be zombies. The parasitoid wasp, known as what's on the screen in front of you, will attack spiders and lay eggs into their abdomen that will grow into little pupas that will slowly feed off the spider juices from within. After growing for some time, the pupa will begin to excrete hormones that cause the spider to build a web around itself. This is very unusual for Eximius though, because leaving the nest and building a self-containing web is something other spiders may do, but Eximius spiders never do. So the wasp larva is possibly tapping into ancestral behaviors when Eximius was a solo spider. The only thing cooler than one spider is a lot of spiders working together, and maybe in the future there will be a totally job-specialized eusocial spiders that have a giant queen like ants. And I'll just leave you with that imagery to haunt you in your sleep. Good night.